Good morning, Achieve Charter School. How are you guys doing today? Hi, Charlotte. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Hudson. Hi, McDonald's. Hi, Jack, if you're out there watching. Good morning, Lottes. Hi, Macy. Hi, Quinn. Good morning, Reagan and Audrey. Hi, Valerie and Adriana. How are you guys doing today? Good morning, Mrs. Matz. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Vivian. Hey, guys. Good morning. Hey, it's so good to be here today. It is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hey, I saw a few other people roll across the screen there as we were doing the Pledge of Allegiance. Good morning to all of you. It's so great to be here today. Hey, we are talking this week about different strategies you can use when you're living in close quarters with everyone to make sure that you're getting along well and that everything's going great. So yesterday, we talked about courtesy, using your manners, saying please and thank you, and how that's like a secret code for telling people that you actually care about them, which you do. This is your family. I know you care about them. Today we're going in a different direction. I just looked down at my notes and I almost forgot something super important. It's Danny's birthday today. Happy birthday, Danny. I hope you have a great day. So let's jump into our virtue today. So like I said, yesterday we talked about courtesy. Today, a virtue to make sure that you can get along well with everyone in your family is cleanliness. So start making some predictions in your head. What do you think I might tell you about cleanliness and being clean? And then listen to this definition. So here's the definition of cleanliness. Being clean or being kept clean. Cleanliness means washing often, keeping your body clean and wearing clean clothes. It's putting into your mind and your body only the things that keep you healthy. So there's an interesting thought, like you're putting only clean things into your mind and your body. And it's cleaning up mistakes and making a fresh start. Oh my goodness, so many places I want to go with that virtue. When you first heard cleanliness and getting along well in tight quarters, I know what you were probably all thinking. Oh my goodness, Mr. Wright's going to tell me to clean up my room and keep my stuff clean. I actually am going to tell you that. It is definitely a way to get along better with your family. But that's not even the first part of the definition. Listen to this. Cleanliness means washing often, keeping your body clean and wearing clean clothes. Oh my goodness. This one's so important. You're living really, really close to everybody right now. And guess what? They can smell you. Like, this is real. Here's like real life advice today. You need to listen to this and think about cleanliness. You're spending a ton of time close to people. You're like getting on each other's nerves sometimes. We're talking about ways that you can all get along better this morning. One of those ways you can get along better is by staying clean, keeping your body clean, keeping your clothes clean. Man, make sure you smell good. Don't make your family smell you. That's gross. All right, next one. Putting your stuff away. Yep, that's a super important part of cleanliness. When you're living in a house with other people, or when you are in the future living in a dorm room or an apartment with somebody else, you got to keep your stuff picked up. You cannot let your stuff be out there where it bothers other people. It's super frustrating. Make sure you keep your area clean and make sure you keep your stuff put away. I liked how that last line of the virtue had this. It said it's cleaning up mistakes and making a fresh start. I've heard your teachers say that so many times. Think about that today. Think about when you're working on your schoolwork. How can you make it clean and tidy? How can you make everything look nice and clean? If you make a mistake, you just erase it, fix it. Fix your mistakes, make a fresh start. And then I thought this one was really interesting too, the next to last line of the virtue where it said, it's putting into your body and mind only the things that keep you healthy. We talked a lot about this one last week, so I want to refresh that in your brain. How can you put only healthy, clean things into your body? That definitely includes putting clean things in your mind, keeping your mind clean. Battle breathing, that's a great way to keep your mind clean. You've got those different stresses. Oh, I see my rope over there still. Like, you have these different stresses pulling on you, and that's going to tighten up your brain. Battle breathing is going to help clean that out. You're going to have a cleaner, fresher brain to work with this week. Mrs. Smith made some more videos. I'm going to send another one out later today, so look for that. If you like battle breathing, you're going to love the rest. Keeping your body clean by eating healthy and eating the right foods. Keeping your body healthy and clean by exercising and getting rest. Great advice right there. So, if I could sum it up, a few things you need to do today to show the virtue cleanliness. Your challenge, you got to get yourself clean. All right, get your body clean, take a shower, get your stuff clean, go pick up your room. If you have stuff laying around the living room where everybody in your family can see it, pick that stuff up, and then take a little bit of time today to get your body clean. And I guarantee that these tips will definitely help you get along better with your family. I see some people that just logged on, and I see a question there. Connor Finnegan says battle breathing. Yeah, check it out, Connor. It's a cool breathing strategy and also a cool reasoning behind why you would want to use that breathing strategy. So check that out. Happy birthday again to Danny. I hope you guys have a great day. Keep your stuff clean today. Love you guys.